everybody, I'm back for another video, and this is the unboxing of the Cocoa Daisy, and this is the June kit. Okay, so you can see by the card it says Summer Wishes. There's a bicycle and some beautiful flowers in the packet, in the basket. So let's get, so I get the classified kit, I get the mini Dory and an extra washi, and then the kit, I think I updated it, let's see. And then the kit that I have should have the standard Dory. Yes, I did update it correctly. Okay. So there's lots and lots and lots of stuff in here. And so it all comes now in a plastic bag. And they do this so they can double check to make sure that everything is in your kit. So, my goodness. Ooh, there's pen loops. Lots of good stuff. Lots of good stuff. So, you can see by the card, I hope I have my camera set up different today. You can see by the card, the basket is what we have, very similar to what we have here, just like a reverse image, or actually it's a different drawing. So we have Cocoa Daisy pen loops. These are very similar to the Happy Planner ones, where they are 3M adhesive on the flag side, and then you put your, they're brand new, so of course, you put your pen in there. And these are wonderful. You can put them on your traveler's notebook, you can put them on a folder, you can put them on an insert. I myself like to put these on folders, so that way, you know, whether I decide to take that folder in or out of the notebook, you know, that folder will always have a pen loop on it, so I can, you know, color coordinate. Very nice. So pen loops. So there's a pencil pouch this month. Last month, I think, was the first month of this year that there wasn't a pencil pouch. And I'm actually okay that there wasn't a pencil pouch because I collect pencil pouches and I have way too many. Oh, is it, I think it's stitched on. So let's, and that's a cute little pull tab. And the inside is this beautiful bright yellow and white polka dot. And the outside is that pattern called gingham? You know, like the tablecloth, like, you know, for a picnic. Is that what that's called? Gingham? I can't remember. Very cute. And it has this, it looks like it's crochet, but it could be knitted. I'm not sure. Very cute. Okay. Now we have a washi that is very cute. And you can see the washi tape looks like the flowers in the basket. Very cute. The little Post-its, every month there's great little Post-its, and the little Post-its for this month say to do. And that's a lot of Post-its. I've never gone through an entire set of the Post-it notes that you get, but they're very cute. Let me see. So we have some die cuts with tabs. And there you can see what is in the pack. There's Simon with his little sunglasses. There is a cute pin. Oh, and it's like a rubber. The lighting is horrible, I'm so sorry. I gotta figure out a better way to do this. There we go. Now, let's see the papers and stickers that we get. So, oh, look at that. So here's basket with these beautiful lines. I have a feeling these lines will make an appearance inside the insert. Look at that beautiful floral. Some bicycles. There was a bicycle theme a few years ago. Beautiful flowers. And then these are the same as those because you get 2 of each. Very cute. Here are the stickers. So here are the June notes, Hello June, travel planner, month at a glance. Here are your numbers and your days of the weeks, and some like meal planning, clean groceries to buy, that type of stuff. Some weekend stickers. And then here, actually just one. Oh, they feel thicker this month. June, summer, 2 more of the tabs, some to-dos, cute little bike, a little Simon, and Father's Day, since June has Father's Day. Very cute. Okay, so let's take a look inside of the insert. So here is, and this is very similar to what you have in the standard Dory and in the B6 Dory. Beautiful florals. I didn't use my Cocoa Daisy inserts for May. I used a Peaky Dory design insert that I created because I knew May was going to be a busy month. Oh, I love that bike. That's the one that's on that sticker. Very cute. The only difference between the personal B6 and standard insert, Dory insert, you can hear Seamus is here with us. He's got a new bone, so he's happy. The only thing that is different is, of course, it's shorter. So you only have 2 daily up there, and there is no month here. You have lines, very similar to that scrapbook paper. Very cute. Okay, I'm gonna stop, take some photos of this stuff, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm going to do the classified kit. And I think that was a big hit last month, so people could really get a close look at what is in the classified kit, because there's some really great stuff in there. So I'll be back. Hello everyone. So this is going to be the unboxing of the classified kit. If you do not want to see what is in here, do not watch past this point. For those of you that have never gotten the classified kit and are interested to see what you would get, I unboxed last month so you can see, which I have a playlist of all my Cocoa Daisy stuff. And so that way you can see what's come in 2 consecutive classified kits. Again, if you do not want to see what is in your classified kit, do not watch past this point. Just warning, there will be spoilers. So, oh my goodness, there's lots of stuff. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's all that's in the bag. So the first thing you'll see is we have 2 of these paper clips with those, I want to say, crocheted flowers, which match, oh, I already put it in its bag, the flower, same design as is on the pouch. Very cute. There is a different washi tape, which is a geometric with matching colors. There is a stamp that says "Do not forget." I like that. Oh look, there's an extra set of tab stickers. You can never have enough tabs. And these look like these ones would be really good in a Like if you had a 3-ring or a 6-ring binder because it says birthdays, YouTube podcast. Like if you were going to have like reading lists, you're going to have something that's a little bit more permanent. You know, those are really good ones. Oh, there's Simon riding a bike. When I agreed to bike to the company picnic, I wasn't thinking things all the way through. He's so tiny. The bike's way too big for him. What's this? Oh, that's a penny farthing bike. It's originally it's an old-time bike where you have the one large wheel, so you have the penny and the farthing, the 2-size coins, and then lots of bikes and flowers. Very cute. What are these? Oh, these are clips, like for putting on top of your like little bookmarks. Meh, coffee, donuts. Those are really cute. See how you can put your, let me pull them out of the plastic. I can't get it out. Oh. I guess they're held down with an adhesive. Yeah. So what you could do with your inserts or your dory is you've got a nice little tab for the top, or I guess you can also use it on the side. Very cute. I like the latte one. Oh, that's an adhesive. That's what that is. So you've got eight of those. Very useful colors. And let's see, the last thing, we have 2 different types of paper. This is a kind of like a wax paper with this beautiful like blue stitch pattern. And then, if you look at that, here's that bike, which is that sticker. And it's in the dory insert and also in the other inserts. And it's called Here Comes the Sun. Very cute. I don't know what I will use this for. Very cute. So that is what is in the classified kit this month. You get an extra washi, and usually you get an extra washi. Sometimes like you'll get, like if there's a thin washi, you'll get 2 thin washis. Sometimes you'll get a pen. Sometimes you'll get like a larger set of stamps. It really varies. But all of these are things that will go with the planner kit this month. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And thanks so much for stopping by and enjoying my unboxing. Bye-bye.